All right, so check this out. I I found this really cool old RC car. I'm a sucker for old junk RC cars, and I found it in all places. Latvia. Now here's what's cool about that. I'd heard of it, didn't know where it was. I'm on the wife's pad here. So that's Latvia right there, right? So it's looks like it's a little bit north of Lithuania and just west of Soviet Union. Good place for moose and squirrel. Look where that's at. Whoop. Anyway, it's way over there. You know what I'm trying to say? Come on, zoom out. Yeah, there we are. Oh, look at that. That's me. I'm that little blue dude. Latvia. Like, you wouldn't even have thought there was RC car stuff in Latvia. Turns out, oh man, I've already lost it. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, so the point of that whole story, let me zoom out here, is that I'm a sucker for the old stuff, right? And what I done is found this other car. Let me show you, first of all, what I think, what are cool old cars. Like, I call them Frankenstein cars. Now, take a look at this dude. Yeah, look at that. All right, let me tell you what's going on here, right? This is an old vintage. That's a frog right there, or a Blackfoot. You know what? In fact, now that I'm looking at it, it's definitely a Blackfoot because frogs were gray. So this was a Blackfoot at one time. Somebody made a sprint car out of it. Now, technically, this is pretty cool. But of all the things to make a sprint car out of, this would have been out around the time all the Ascot stuff was cool. But, you know, it's not so bad. You know, as Frankenstein cars go. Whoop. Anyway, you know I like the Frankenstein cars. And I showed you one the last time we did this. Was this dude. This is a 12e. Somebody put these little tires on. And this is a Frankenstein car, all right? It's a major piece of crap. But it's got a story to tell, right? All right, so here, what I got going on now, wham! So this is the car I got from Latvia, shipped to Stormer, and I have yet to open it. I want to be as surprised as the next guy at what is in this box, right? So I'm just going to let her rip, Tater Chip, and let's just see what this is. I have a very low expectation. I saw the pictures of this car. It was a homemade car. This guy's explaining it. It's coming from about the 1980s. He said it's a homemade car. So here we go. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, it's like shrink wrapped. What the heck? Well, that's cool. He shrink wrapped it. You know, in Soviet Union, the cars shrink wrap you, huh? Well, that's cool. Let's get it out of there. I'm actually more impressed with this wrapping job. This is really cool. Come out of there, baby. Where do you see this car? I paid, believe it or not, $10 for the car and then $34 to get it shipped from Latvia. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Look at this body. This body is crazy. All right, it gets better. Who shrink wraps a car like this? I've never seen anything like it. Oh, yeah, I don't know what's going on here, but I like it. Hold on. I still haven't mastered this camera setup. Oh, what a piece of crap. Look at this. This car's amazing. Look at that. I don't know what's going on here specifically. Not yet. The seller said that this was a handmade car. Whoop. I find that's hard to dispute. Look at that thing. Is this awesome or what? I don't recognize the wheels or tires. That beam. Look at this beam. Look at that front end. Man, that is super cool. This is some kind of a resistor set up there. Wow. Yeah. I don't even know if it's worth trying to make it go. I just had to own it because it was the biggest piece of crap I've ever seen. Whoop, I'm rocking my camera a little bit. Look at that. If you guys know what these tires are, leave a comment down below there if you know what these tires are. Because I don't recognize them. But this, man, I am digging on this situation. It's definitely handmade. That is some Frankenstein junk, man. Look at that motor. That is so cool. All right. If this comes off something, man, let me know what this is. Like somebody's gonna go, that's the front end off a Mardave something or another. And I don't own any Mardave, so I can't tell you. Man. Anyway, that's my car from Latvia. I don't know what's going on with it, other than that's a major find right there, my friends. Nice. I'll clean it up a little bit. All right, carry on.